Yo, what is going on? This is your boy Endless, checking back in with another how-to video. I wanted to show you guys today how to add a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency widget into Streamlabs and or OBS. This process is very simple, very straightforward, so I'm not going to make this video too long. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go on ahead and download OBS or Streamlabs. Then you want to open up your browser and go to Google, Bitcoin widget live price chart. Now there are a couple different websites that you can go to. One of the ones that you can use here is Coin Market Cap. Click on this. And say for example you wanted this to display right here, powered by Coin Market Cap, and you wanted this in your stream. So while you're live streaming on that platform, your viewers will be able to see the price of the cryptocurrencies. So for this one here, as testing at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether, the theme I want it in dark mode. And what you want to do is after you fill this out and it displays what it is over here, you want to copy the website widget, this code over here. Right click and copy. And then you want to open up Notepad. Now that we have Notepad open, I'm going to go on ahead and paste that code in. Then I want to do File, Save As, and save it to wherever you want to save it to. I'm going to name this Bitcoin widget. You can name it whatever you want, but just make sure that you have this part, .html. So that after the dot, this is the type of file format that this file will be. So we have Bitcoin widget.html. Like I said, you can name it whatever you want. Just make sure it has .html in it. Click on Save. Now you want to go back to Streamlabs or OBS, and you want to add a source. And click on this plus sign. And the one that we want is browser. So we're going to click browser. We're going to name it Bitcoin Tracker. Click OK. We're going to hit this check mark right here for local file. Locate the file. So you want to browse to that specific file that you want, the one that you just made. Click on it and click Open. Make sure that refresh browser when seen becomes available and click OK. After that happens, as you can see here, that Bitcoin tracker is on your screen. Now mine's coming in a little bit blurry right now because I'm recording and etc. with my computer. But what you can do is there's other websites that you can use to add other widgets. You just need to do your research and find those specific websites and just look for the specific widgets. If you go into Google and just type in Bitcoin widgets live, there's a bunch of different websites that are out here that you can find and you can add them. Say for example crypto.com. Same thing with this one here. If say that we wanted one of these charts, coin blocks like this, just copy the widget, right click, copy, Notepad, File, Save As, widget test.html. I named it and put .html. Click Save. And now we're going to go on ahead and click Add again. Browser. I'm going to name this test. Click OK. Now we're going to find the local file. Open. And also make sure refresh browser when seen becomes active. Click OK. Boom, there you go. Here's the Bitcoin and Ethereum one that you selected. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. I did a lot of research. I couldn't get any clear information, but if you're live streaming and you want prices for specific cryptocurrencies or anything in that matter in regards to browser widgets, that's how you save them to your desktop and that's how you get them to display on the live stream. If you enjoyed today's content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more how-tos and unboxings and tech related content coming your way. That's your boy Endless. Peace.